Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a financial strategy with Wealthfront, beginner guide step by step clearly. Creating a financial strategy with Wealthfront can be an empowering step towards achieving your financial goals. First, visit the Wealthfront website and create an account by providing your email address and setting a secure password. Once your account is set up, complete the onboarding process by answering a series of questions about your financial situation and goals. This questionnaire will cover your income, expenses, and investment preferences, helping Wealthfront tailor their advice to your unique needs. After completing the questionnaire, Wealthfront will generate a personalized financial plan for you. Review the plan carefully to understand recommendations regarding savings, investments, and risk tolerance. Next, link your bank accounts to Wealthfront to allow for seamless transfer of funds and easier tracking of your financial activities. Once your accounts are linked, decide how much money you want to allocate towards your investment goals. Wealthfront offers several investment options. Choose the one that aligns best with your risk tolerance and time horizon. Consider setting up automated contributions to ensure you are consistently investing toward your goals. Wealthfront also provides a unique feature called tax loss harvesting, which can help optimize your investment returns. Make sure to explore the financial planning tools available in your dashboard for tracking progress over time. Regularly revisit your financial strategy to reassess your goals and adjust your plan as needed. Stay informed about the market and how changes may impact your investment strategy. Finally, leverage Wealthfront's resources and updates to remain engaged with your financial health. With these steps, you can create a solid financial strategy that aligns with your aspirations and helps you build wealth over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.